Diana Biko.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe, like this video, and also share. You guys, welcome to this vlog. It's a cooking vlog. I'm going to make fried rice, yummy fried rice, and it's going to be the easiest way. Although I have Diana in the kitchen that is disturbing me and crying because her father is not home. It's Saturday. By the way, he didn't go to work. He went to cut his hair. Before the end of this video, you guys are going to see him. So I'm going to be making two meals in this video. So please sit down, relax, and enjoy. So as my turkey is cooking on the fire, let me introduce my ingredients to you guys. I'm going to be using bell pepper, carrots, green peas, green beans, and also sweet corn. I will add that later. So first thing first, I'll wash my vegetables. This is what I used in washing my vegetables. I noticed I did not show you guys in the video. I didn't record that part. So this will kill all the germs and everything. Some people also use salt or baking soda, whichever one works for you, it's fine. So I'll go ahead to scrape the back of the carrots before I start slicing it. You guys, do you eat this thing inside the carrots? I don't use it for my fried rice, but I can chew it. It's too strong, so I always remove it. I remove all of them before I start cutting the carrots. You guys, the weather is very cold. We've been hot. All of us in this house are sneezing. This flu, hopefully, is not coming because it will be very tough. So I'm not doing a recipe. I'm only just cooking now because I can't show you guys everything I'm going to do in this kitchen because Diana won't let me. She has been crying since. And right now I'm just carrying her on my back. Time to check on the turkey and it's ready. So I'm just going to remove it from the pot and transfer it to my air fryer so I can start air frying. The air fryer is ready. So it's time to wash my parboiled rice. So I'm just going to be running water over it and just like wash off the starch. And yeah, I'm just flipping the rice over and over and over until the water will run clear. So I'm done washing my rice and I have poured it back into my pot, and right now I'm adding my seasoning. So I added spicy for fried rice. I added one. I think it was not really one, it was half inside the nylon. I also added 2 cubes of mangi. I added curry, pepper, salt, and you guys, the first thing I add after washing my rice is the water from the turkey. So that is what you are seeing underneath the pot. Before I started adding my seasoning, then I poured other water and started mixing. Then added more water to my satisfaction, and depending on how I parboil the rice before, if it's too cooked, then I'll just add little water. But if it's still strong, I will add more water to the level of the rice basically. So I also tasted the water to see if the seasoning are okay, but it needed a bit of salt, and I added extra salt before covering it. Then I will transfer back to the fire. So I'm just going to check on my turkey because the air fryer was already saying flip food. So I'm going to flip the turkey over since the part is already dried. You guys, you will not believe I was running up and down in the kitchen, from kitchen to the room, from room to the kitchen, because Jasmine is in the room. And when Diana started sleeping, I took Diana to the room as well. So if I hear silent noise, I rush to the room. If I did not hear any noise, I rush to the room. If I hear small light sound, I rush to the room. Because you cannot trust these kids, especially when Diana is sleeping. Jasmine normally wakes her. Being a mom, not a can play. It's not easy. So as my turkey is frying and my rice is cooking, I'm going to start cutting the vegetables with this slicer I got online. You guys, fried rice used to be very difficult for me to make because if I think about the stress of cutting ingredients, I would just give up. But since I got this slicer online, it has been so easy cutting my ingredients. Please pardon the background sound. It's Diana. Oh. I've tried so much to make these videos voiceover, but she's disturbing me.
Cooking for my family. It's always a pleasure when I can. For my family. Cooking.
Ready. Just the way I want it. So brown.
Oh, cooking for my family. Oh, it's always a pleasure when I can.
So the next step, I just greased my pan. I started adding my vegetable. I added my carrots, gizzards, green beans, bell pepper, and every other thing. I added a pinch of seasoning just to season the vegetable. Some people like to use liver for their fried rice, but I prefer gizzard. If you haven't tried it, please try it out. It's very good. I don't use any other thing for my fried rice except gizzard. I always add my corn last minute when the vegetable is almost ready. Then I will add my rice and start frying. This is the method I will use over and over till I'm done frying the entire rice.
Guys, I am done. Finally. I still have one more meal to make, but I'm still contemplating if I will take you guys along. Diana is sleeping. I like my fried rice with a lot of ingredients, like a lot of vegetables. So I'm going to just make something for Diana while Jasmine will eat fried rice.
Finally done cooking. I'm just showing you guys the aftermath. Will you eat or pass? Anyways, after that, I started to remove the rice that was on top of the gas. So I was doing this and I was thinking if I should continue with the other meal or not because I told you guys previously that I want to make two different meals. So I started doing the dishes as well because everywhere was so messed up. So I washed the entire plate as Diana was not disturbing me. She was still sleeping.
She was built to feed the family with love in the recipe. Favorite thing to make is what they ask for on any given.
So in my last vlog, I told you guys my husband was craving goat meat pepper soup, but I couldn't buy the goat meat because at the slaughter, their POS had no internet. So because of that, we had to withdraw money and go back to buy. So we actually went back to buy the goat's meat, and I was really, really contemplating because I was tired if to continue preparing this meal or I should just postpone it till the next day, which is Sunday. But here I am washing the meat, and I decided to just prepare it once and for all. Then I will just rest. See, easy. Oh. I have a lot of things to do. I had clothes to wash, clean the house, edit my videos. So much on me, you guys, but it is what it is. My respect and hugs to everyone doing things on their own without help. Anyways, my meat was already on the fire, so I'm going to add black pepper.
It's more about
So behind the camera, I added a habanero pepper diced one because Diana was awake already and she was not having it at all. She was crying. So I added 2 cubes of Maggi, and at this point I was preparing Indomie for Diana. She was seriously crying at the background. And of course, I told you guys before that Jasmine is going to eat fried rice. So I'm trying to mix this seasoning I added on the meat together. So I'll be able to steam it before I'll add the next step. After steaming the meat a bit, it's time to add my tomatoes. You guys, there is no me without muti. All my food, I prepare it with muti tomatoes. This is the absolute best. If you have not tried it out, try it out. It's very nice. So I added my pepper soup seasoning, which is the last sauce seasoning. Yeah, this is what I use for my pepper soup, and I covered it to cook, but I remember I need to add my um catfish, the smoked one. I already washed it previously, removed the head, the stick, all the yama yama. Then I covered it to cook.
more being with them.
So this is Diana's bottle meat. It's blended meat. It has different type. I've carried you guys along several times buying this. So I'm just going to add 1 to 2 spoon of the blended meat and add olive oil. So just mix it without mangi, no salt, no nothing. Yeah, this is how I prepare Diana's noodles. It will become creamy.
And doing something together.
Immediately Diana sees her plate, she knows food is coming. She will start crying for the food, for you to bring the food. Come and give me, come and serve me, come and feed me. She will start crying. So I'm going to feed her while my pepper soup is on the fire cooking. So I am done feeding Diana. So I came to check on my pepper soup if it's ready. At this point, it's almost ready. So I need to taste for salt and the seasoning if they are okay. I tasted it and it needed more salt. So I added more salt. I added crayfish to lace it, and I just mix everything together and cover it to cook.
It's more about being with them and doing something together. Being with them and doing something together.
You guys, this tastes absolutely yummy. My husband likes it a lot. Tastes really good. The pepper is so hot. I want to taste. Oh my god. If this meat is tender enough. Still very strong. Oh. This goat meat. You know they quick done. Jasmine, finish your food. Finish your food, Jasmine. Guys, it's ready. The pepper here, it's very hot. Habanero pepper and black pepper. It's ready and it tastes really nice. See the consistency. I made it a bit light. See the consistency. Diana, what is that? Let me turn off the heat. Oh my god. Guys, it tastes so good. What did you buy? Tomatoes.
Surprise.
Banana. Let me see the back. Turn your front. 360. Give us 360.
Oh, it's cool.
With your amigo head. It's fine anyways.
Soft was
What is soft?
surprise for you. But it's
Meat pie, thank you.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
from that woman?
You have to do your meat pie now. This one, I can use this one.
Thank you for watching.